Non riesci, vieni a vedere, non riesci a uscire!
An intense complex of thunderstorms stalled over northwestern Italy on Monday, unleashing a 12-hour torrent unrivaled in the history of European weather observations. It's the latest extreme rain event supercharged by climate change that follows a summer of historic deluges in the northern hemisphere. In just 12 hours, 29.2 inches of rain fell in Rossiglione in Italy's Genoa province, roughly 65 miles south-southwest of Milan, and 10 miles north of the Mediterranean coastline. It marked the greatest 12-hour rainfall on record in Europe, according to Maximiliano Herrera, a climatologist who specializes in world weather extremes. The large complex of storms bombarded much of Liguria, which is the northwestern region of Italy bordering France, resulting in flooding and mudslides. The storm complex was also a prolific lightning producer, generating more than 500,000 strikes.